In our quest for a healthier home environment, we humans often overlook the incredible power of nature right under our noses. Household plants. Did you know that certain plants can act as natural detoxifiers, purifying the air that we breathe and enhancing our overall well-being? It is true. Many common household plants have been scientifically proven to filter out harmful toxins and pollutants, making them essential allies in our fight for a cleaner, healthier living space. Imagine walking into your home and being greeted not just by the sight of lush greenery, but also by fresher air and a sense of tranquility. These surprising plants do more than just beautify your space. They actively work to improve air quality, reduce stress, and promote a sense of calm. In a world where we are constantly bombarded by synthetic chemicals and pollutants, turning to nature for solutions is not just wise, but also vital as well. So if you're looking to enhance your home wellness naturally, stay tuned. We'll explore some of the most effective household plants that can detoxify your home, bringing both aesthetic appeal and health benefits. Get ready to transform your living space into a sanctuary of freshness and vitality, all while embracing the power of nature. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Understanding how certain plants can purify the air begins with the fascinating process of photosynthesis. During this natural phenomenon, plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, creating a vital balance in our atmosphere. But that's not all. Many plants also have the remarkable ability to absorb harmful toxins from the air, acting as natural air purifiers. Common indoor pollutants like formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene can be found in everyday items such as furniture, cleaning products, and even paint. Fortunately, specific plants, like the peace lily and spider plant, are particularly effective at absorbing these toxins. They break down these harmful substances through their leaves and roots, converting them into harmless compounds that can be utilized for growth. Clean air is essential for our overall health and well-being. Poor indoor air quality can lead to a range of health issues, including respiratory problems, allergies, and even chronic fatigue. By incorporating air-purifying plants into our homes, we not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of our spaces, but also create a healthier environment for ourselves and our loved ones. So, as we dive deeper into the world of plant detoxification, I urge you to always remember that these green companions are more than just decor, but also, they are vital contributors to our health and happiness in general. If you're looking for ways to enhance your home's air quality, here are 5 common household plants that are not only beautiful, but also known for their detoxifying properties. First up is the peace lily. This elegant plant is great at removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. It thrives in low light and only needs watering when the soil feels dry. Next, we have the spider plant. This resilient plant is a champion at filtering out carbon monoxide and xylene. This plant prefers bright, indirect sunlight and should be watered when the top inch of soil is dry. The snake plant, or mother-in-law's tongue, is another fantastic choice. It absorbs toxins like formaldehyde and is unique because it releases oxygen at night. This hardy plant can tolerate low light and infrequent watering, making it perfect for beginners. Fourth on our list is the bamboo palm. This tropical beauty not only adds a touch of greenery, but also effectively removes benzene and formaldehyde. It thrives in bright, indirect light and enjoys regular watering to keep the soil moist. Lastly, consider the pothos plant. Known for its trailing vines, it's excellent at absorbing indoor pollutants like formaldehyde and carbon monoxide. It's low maintenance and can thrive in various lighting conditions. Adding these plants to your home can significantly improve your indoor air quality while bringing a refreshing vibe to your space. So why not give them a try? Incorporating detoxifying plants into your home is not only beneficial for your health, but also enhances your living space's aesthetic appeal. In order to maximize the full effectiveness of these plants, it's essential to place them in ideal locations. For the peace lily, consider placing it in a corner of your living room or bedroom where it can enjoy indirect light. Its elegant white blooms can serve as a stunning focal point. The spider plant thrives in bright, indirect sunlight, making it perfect for kitchen windowsills or hanging baskets, where its cascading leaves can add a lively touch. The snake plant is incredibly versatile and thrives in low light, making it an excellent choice for darker corners or even your office space. Its tall, architectural shape adds a modern flair to any living space. The bamboo palm loves bright, indirect light, so placing it near a window in your living room or entryway can create a welcoming atmosphere. Lastly, the pothos plant is perfect for shelves or bookcases, where its trailing vines can cascade down beautifully. When arranging your plants, think creatively. Mix different heights and textures to create visual interest. Use decorative pots that complement your decor style, and consider grouping plants together for a lush green display. By thoughtfully incorporating these detoxifying plants, you can create a vibrant, healthy environment that reflects your personal style. One effective natural remedy is using essential oils. Diffusing oils like lavender or eucalyptus can not only freshen the air but also promote relaxation and reduce stress. Regular cleaning and decluttering are crucial for maintaining a healthy home environment. Dust and allergens can accumulate quickly, so aim to clean surfaces weekly and vacuum regularly. Decluttering your space not only makes it easier to clean, but also creates a more serene atmosphere, allowing for better mental clarity and focus. Consider incorporating natural cleaning products into your routine. Vinegar and baking soda are excellent alternatives to prevent harsh chemicals, providing effective cleaning power without toxic residue. Remember, a healthier home is a holistic endeavor. By combining the benefits of detoxifying plants with these practices, you can create a sanctuary that nurtures both your body and mind. Incorporating detoxifying plants into your home is a powerful way to enhance your living environment and improve your overall health. We've explored 5 remarkable plants: peace lily, spider plant, snake plant, bamboo palm, and pothos, that not only purify the air but also add beauty and tranquility to your spaces. These green companions work tirelessly to filter out harmful toxins, making your home a healthier place to live. As you embark on this journey toward a healthier lifestyle, remember that natural solutions can significantly impact your well-being. We encourage you to experiment with these plants and practices and see how they transform your space and mindset. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content on home wellness and natural health solutions. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these tips. Together, we can create healthier homes and happier lives. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more with you soon.